So welcome everybody to this quick derivation of the zero mean and unit variance. This is also known as standardization. And you might have encountered it in your lectures like this. We have a variable x and we subtract the mean of x and we divide it by the standard deviation of x. So how can we show that we really get zero mean and variance of 1? Let's start with the expectation of z. So what is z? Z is simply what we have defined before, x minus mu divided by sigma. And now we use the linearity rule of the expectation. So sigma is not a random variable and it's a scalar, so we can write it in front of the expectation and we are left with x minus mu. So again, we can use the linearity and we can rewrite it as 1 divided by sigma times expectation of x minus expectation of mu. So here we used linearity. And yeah, let's continue. So what is this? We have 1 divided by sigma times the expectation of x is mu, and the expectation of a non-random variable mu is again the non-random variable itself. So we have 1 divided by sigma times mu minus mu, and this is 0. So we have shown z has a mean of 0. Let's continue with the variance of z. So the variance of z is defined as the expectation of the squared difference of z and its expectation. So what is this? We can simply rewrite it as the expectation of z squared, because we showed before that the oops, we showed before that the expectation of z is 0, and here we have the expectation of z again. So this is this is 0, and yeah, so we are left with the expectation of z squared. And what is the expectation of z squared? It is simply the expectation of x minus mu divided by sigma squared. So now we just need to rewrite it a little bit, and we are left then with the expectation of 1 divided by sigma squared times x minus mu squared. And again, we can take out the sigma squared because it's not non-random and it's a scalar. We write it in front of the expectation. So, and we are left with 1 divided by sigma squared, and this term here is just the definition of the variance of x, because the variance of x is just the expectation of x minus its expectation squared, and yeah, this here is the expectation of x. So we are left with 1 divided by sigma squared times sigma squared, and this is 1. So we showed how it's derived. Thanks for watching, bye bye.